having the aim to observe ourselves is not enough. We must know what to look for. We must learn the divisions of our psychology. Then, like a map, this knowledge will guide our observation. According to one Eastern teaching, all our associations, our moods, and our physical impulses originate from one of three brains: from the mind, from the heart, or from the body. These brains perceive differently, think differently, react differently, are attracted to or repelled by different things. They affect each other, which makes self-observation more challenging. Therefore, real self-observation means capturing mental photographs of all three brains in action. To facilitate this, the same Eastern teaching portrays these three brains as a horse, a carriage, and a driver. The horse is our emotions, the carriage is our body, the driver is our mind. To take a mental photograph, we must observe our emotional state. Where is it pulling? How is it affecting our posture? And what are the resulting mental associations? Join us for an introductory workshop that will present the psychology of these three brains and lay the ground for their observation.